Hello. Many of our viewers really enjoy Kool-Aid. But this is ice cool. I don't want my Kool-Aid ice cool. That might give me a brain freeze. Plus, you can't drink ice. So how are you going to defrost it? In a microwave, of course. But what happens when you microwave Kool-Aid? Let's find out. Is this a good idea to microwave? We've built a special laboratory. We have a tinfoil shield so we don't fry our junk. No one likes fried junk. We also have a proper ventilation system, complete with 3 fans, so we can breathe at night. We also have a sharp microwave, where we conduct all of our experiments. You can see we just finished doing soy sauce. That one didn't come out that well. Oh well, in goes the Kool-Aid. I wonder how long it takes to microwave Kool-Aid. I'd say a minute. Okay, let's get back. There we go. Well, looks like we should have... What the hell? The soy sauce thing is really freaking out. And there must be a metallic substance in the Kool-Aid packet. Because I think that's why it's shooting flames. Whoa. I'm blind. Do it again, Kool-Aid. Oh well, a minute has passed and all that happened was arcing. Or did it? Let's go on the inside and find out. Okay. Always make sure to test the item you just microwaved, because you have no idea how hot it is. This one doesn't seem to be that hot. As you can see, we probably should have cleaned out the soy sauce. But it's not that hot. And there's no signs of the fireballs, so we should be alright. Let's check out what's on the inside. I guess it's just regular Kool-Aid. So you may be wondering, Jory, is it safe to microwave that? Looks good to me. I don't really know why you want to microwave it. Can't hurt though.